Hey there, this is your math lesson for today. I can find and create 3D nets. So we have been learning about 3D shapes for a while, and we looked at vertices and edges and faces. Most of what we have found is that most of our stuff at our home are boxes. A lot of boxes, a lot of cuboids for sure, Amazon packages for sure. But we definitely have a lot of cylindrical things. So, like soup cans, kidney beans, all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of prisms out there for pasta and more pasta. But keep in mind, these materials that they use used to be flat at one point, and then that flat part, okay, is called a net. Okay, so all these little parts come together and they form a net. So today we're going to look at either you have two options, high tech or low tech. If you're going to with low tech, simply you're going to find something in your home that is a 3D shape that you can flatten down to see its net, like a cereal box. You'll notice over here that I took a Amazon box that I had. I cut the stuff from the top, took all the things out. I flattened it, literally just putting on its side, just flattening it, and taking a one part of it and just making a slit and cut to it, and I have this net that's been created here. Just take a look at it and try to determine how many 2D shapes make up your 3D shape. Again, really cool thing. You could just do it for a cereal box to something a bit bigger, up to you. But please in mind, you have to ask for parents' permission before you start cutting into things or flattening any 3D shapes. Okay. Well, this is the high-tech version. So you're going to make pole nets. If you've never seen a pole net, it's actually pretty cool. So think of kind of like a transformer. It's a car, and all of a sudden it becomes like Bumblebee or something, right? So it transforms literally in front of your eyes. This will take some perseverance. So you're going to click for tutorial videos. And if you click on that, it's going to take you to James Wallum, and he has some stuff for you. So I'm going to take a net of a cube, pull up nets. And here he's going to show you just very briefly how to make that. He's got about, I don't know, 5 different videos. But you will need a string for sure. You will need something to cut a hole, and just kind of play around with it by pulling it. So first thing you got to do is to take one face of it and glue it. Okay, so let me show that one more time. So right here he's got that. Okay, so this here, you're probably wondering, where do I get that, Mr. Meredith? Where do I get that? So here there is a like a template. So this template looks something like this, and I hope that I can show it to you really quickly. So that looks like that. You're going to print that out, okay? And then you're going to cut out everything else that is not part of this 3D net. And then you're going to determine, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are six holes that go in there. Now this part right here, this little base right here, also known as a face, the face of this is glued down on this piece of paper. So when you put that string through around this and you start pulling, you're going to get something like this. Just like that. And you keep pulling it, it makes it really tight, and that becomes your cube. You can go a bit crazier for sure, doing an octahedron. This also has it on our little thing. Take a look at that one. That's pretty cool. And a tetrahedron. What? Okay, so certainly pause and watch the videos. Do your best to create one of these. At the very end of our exit ticket today, you are certainly welcome to take a picture of your pull net, 3D pull nets. Enjoy, have fun. And again, if you have any questions, just give me a shout. We're making 3D nets today.